Hello everyone, welcome to Fresher Bit. Today we will be solving the third problem from the LeetCode, that is longest substring without repeating characters. And we will be using sliding window technique for this. Let's get started.
Okay, so now let's look at the problem statement. Given a string S, find the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. The examples given are ABC, ABC, BB. The answer is 3 because the length of ABC is 3 because immediately after ABC we have an A which is a repeating character. So the answer is 3. In the next example, we have B repeated 5 times. Answer is 1 because the second character is again repeated. Now let's analyze how to write the code.
Okay, so now let's look at the solution part. Firstly, I will need a variable which will hold the result to me as max length, and then a start variable which will denote the start of every window. Since this is a sliding window approach, this character set will hold all the characters inside the current window. Nextly, we will need a loop which will iterate from the start to the end of the string. Let's take a simple example now. A, B, C, A. And your I will run from 0, 1, 2, and 3. And your start variable S, say S, will be here at the first character of the string. Now we will need another loop which will keep on removing the start variable, the start value, whenever a repeating character is encountered. So let us write while S of I in char set and after removing the start variable or the start value, we will have to shift to the next window. So to shift to the next window, we just have to increment the start by 1. Now, after the while loop, like when the character S of I is not in the character set, we will have to add that character in the character set.
So char set dot add S of I. So here you can see that A is not in the character set as of now. So I will take this as set and I have added A here. B is not in the set, so I'll add B again here and then C and then A again. So what happens is this char set dot remove S of start will remove this A and it will shift S by 1. So now this substring becomes BCA. Okay. And then we'll also have to calculate the maximum length. The maximum length variable has to get updated on every window whenever the maximum length value is greater than the current maximum length value. So let's write max of current max length, comma, I minus start plus 1, which will give you the size of the current window. And that's it. We will have to return the max length, which will be our answer. Now, let's run the code and see. Here you can see that the test cases have been passed and let's try to submit. Okay, the code got submitted. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye.